What's going on, guys? I'm Twitch with Save One More Life. We're gonna see if we can make a trauma kit from Walmart. This is what we're gonna use as our impromptu tourniquet and trauma bandage. It's a flat, stretchy band similar to a SWAT tee. You need to make sure you get the flat bands. Today we've got these apparently on a discount. This is a 3-pack, got 3 different weights. So maybe you could even put a couple of them in your kit, give you a couple different options. Bags, I like the quart ones because they'll fit in most cargo pockets. So you can use it as the container for your kit and you can use it as chest seals. To get training, go to SaveOneMore.life.